there, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to be doing a cash exchange inside of my sinking funds and savings challenges. If you love these kind of videos like I do, stay tuned. I'm actually going to start with my savings challenges. I'm not going to exchange out all of these, but it's just getting a little full, so some of them do need to be exchanged. Let's go ahead and exchange the 20s if we can. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20. So we'll take $300 worth of 20s out, and we will add $300 bills. We'll put the 20 in front to our $20 savings challenge. Okay, for our $10 savings challenge, let's see what we got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope, we'll leave that. I just like to take them out in 100 increments, just so the envelopes aren't so packed. Let's see here. We've got self-care. In here, we've got 100, 150, 170, 190, 200, 210, 220, 230, 235. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20. So we'll go ahead and exchange this for a 20. Now we have 5, 10. We'll put that 5 down. I just like to work backwards, y'all. But let me do it where it looks right. So 5, 10, 20, 40, 60. This looks like we can do 50. So 5, 10, and 2 20s. We'll make 50. I mean, yeah. And then this other 50 will make 100. Okay, so now we have 235 in here. All right, let's get away, which is our travel savings challenge. All of these are inside of my savings challenge book on baddiesbudgets.com. So we're good on the hundreds, 20, 40, 60, 75. So we'll do 2 5s and a 10. So I'm going to do the 2 20s and a 10 for 50. So 275. If I'm wrong, I'm sure I'll catch it in editing. Our save and search. No, not much I can do there. Thought there'd be some 50s in here somewhere. All right, our luxury challenge. Here we go. So 2 50s. I think I just don't like this tray. Now, this works for me. 2 50s for 100. Okay, now I'm back and we've got it together. Finally, Lord. Okay, for our luxury challenge, we've got 1, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. So we're just going to pull all of this out. We're gonna grab another 100. So we now have 200 bucks in our luxury challenge, and it's all condensed. It's a beautiful thing. Our 50 envelope challenge. 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 180, 190. So we're gonna pull that 50, 20, 40, 60, 80, and these 4 5s makes 100. So I have 100, 150, 170, and 190. Hey, girl. How was school, girl? Almost done. Save with Baddie. This is a challenge we finished forever ago. 100, 200, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. Oh, well, that's handy. Just want to pull that out. Grab us another 100. So in here we have $1, $2, $3, $4, $500 in the Save with Baddie challenge. So up next here we have our 52-week challenge, which already has some 1K slips in it. It has 2 1K slips. Oh, and lots of hundreds. I kind of just throw this money in here. So let me get it together. Bag up there. Okay, so now let's count it out and see what we can do. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. So we'll pull that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700, 20, 40, 60, 80, 800, 820, 825. So we only can pull out $1,000. So we'll go ahead and grab a 1K slip, and this can go to the bank. Okay. So now we'll put our hundreds over here. We have 2 50s. We'll grab 100 for that. 20, 40, 60, 81, and 25. So we now have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 100, 200, 300, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 25. So $3,825 in our 52-week challenge. And I think it's like $5,000 total. So that'll be good at the end of the year. See, we're almost done, making good progress. I'm gonna leave my August challenge alone. Alrighty, so now let's get into our high priority envelopes. For Christmas, we have 1,000 in the bank for that one. 10, 20, 30, 50, and 70. So I'm gonna do, I'm sorry, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, yes. So let's just leave a 20 and do 20, 30, 40, 50. We'll grab a 50 here. So now there's 1,070 in Christmas. Thanksgiving has 340. So 20, 40, 60, 81. There's another 100, 50, 70, 90, 100. Let's see if I can do it with tens. So 10, 20, 30, 50, and 100. So 20, 50, 100. Okay, and 2 20s left. So there's 340 in Thanksgiving, and we're all good. Halloween has 255. So 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 200. I think we can do some tens here as well. So 50, 70, 90, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. And 55. So here's another 100. And we'll exchange these 5 tens for a 50. What did I do with my 200s? Oh, didn't grab it. So there's 255 and a Halloween. Okay, vacation has 1,300. That's all good. Doctor visits has 560. So there's 5, 20, 40, 60. So let's exchange that for a 50 and a 10. Prescriptions has 470. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 60, 70, and I'll exchange all of that for a 50 and a 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 450, 470. Prescriptions. Oh, did I skip that one? No, that was prescriptions. Vehicle maintenance has 1,020, so that's good. Vehicle registration has 130, that's good. Insurance deductible has 500. We'll exchange 250s for 100. Okay. Vehicle insurance, we can break this down, I'm sure. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 70. Okay, so that one is all good. All right, that's all for high priority. Let's move to our low priority binder. Okay, for the kids' vacation, there's $36 in there. Not much I can do with that. Rico has 65, 20, 40, 65. Let's do a 50 and a 10 for him. Rico's my pet turtle, in case anybody was wondering. He's not my child. I know somebody asked that. Amazon Finds has 310. So there's 200, 20, 40, 60, 81, 300. So now 310 in here. Target Hauls has 265. 100, 200, 20, 40, 60. Oh, it should have 275. 20, 40. Oh, no, I just can't count. 20, 40, 50, 65. So we'll exchange those two 10s for 20. Let's just do all this. Let's just do a 50 and a 10. 65. So we have 265 in here. Fine Dining has 285. So 1, 2, 50, 70, 80. Nothing I can do here. Okay. Workout equipment has $30. Shoes and clothing, $295. Let's see. Nope. Nothing to do here. These are looking pretty good. I haven't been adding much here lately. Nothing there. Nails and pedicures. Let's see what we can do here. 20, 40, 60, 81. So we'll do that. Grab 100, 10, and 5 ones. So we'll grab a 10 and grab that 5 back. So that's 115 there. Hair products has 260. 100, 50, 70, 90, 200. So there's 20, 40, 60. Skincare has 170. Let's see. 20, 40, 60, 70. Do a 50 and a 20. So there's 170 in skincare. Luxury perfume. 100, 200, 300, 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150. So we'll do all that. To do 150, 2 5s, 4 10, and 2 1s. So we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 450, 460, 462. Okay, and nothing in that last one there. So that's it for our low priority. As you can see, the 20s are overrunning at this point. I'm just gonna pull some and set them to the side so that, you know, just for your viewing purposes. So now I'm gonna do the apartment binder. All right, so in deposit, let's see what we can exchange. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000, 150, 70, 90. So nothing. I don't have a $90 bill. 6 months rent. Let's see. So this is all 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Put that there. Okay. Any small bills here. Yep, so let's see what we can pull out of the living room. 50, 70, 90, 110. So we'll pull 110 over here. Okay, maybe in our miscellaneous bills. Let's see. I need to label these. I'll be forgetting what they are. Okay, this one for sure is renter's insurance. Nope, nothing there. I think this one is movers, maybe. We can exchange those 2 5s for a 10. That's about it there. Nope, nothing there. And nothing there. Well, so much for that. Okay, well, I guess that's it. We've got everything exchanged. And now this money is going to go back to the bank. Get deposited back into my savings account. And this will go, this 1,000 we pulled will go to the sinking funds savings account. So we did pretty good. That was a pretty good amount to exchange. Hopefully it just helps your binders to close better and, help you count faster because it's not so many small bills. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Y'all have a good day.